When you think about nuts, you might imagine a large tree growing in a garden. Well, there are nuts you can grow in pots easily. We have the best ones for you. Walnut. Walnut trees are really easy to care for and grow well in pots. Use well-draining soil and place the container at a location that gets a minimum of 3 to 4 hours of direct sun a day. Cashew nut. The secret of growing cashew nuts in a pot is to use a well-draining growing medium and expose the plant to direct sunlight. Do make sure you take care of watering. Hazelnuts. Go with 1 seed per pot while growing hazelnuts. The plant is quite picky when it comes to sunlight, so avoid keeping it in shade. Also, keep the soil moist and protect the plant from mice. Almond. Almond can grow at quite a fast rate, so it would be a good idea to use a large pot from the start. Use a rich growing medium and do not keep the plant in shade. Peanuts. Peanuts grow quite well and require little attention. Add enough organic matter to the growing medium for best results. You'll have a good harvest per pot. Macadamia nut. Macadamia produces fruits in 4 to 6 years after planting. Sow freshly fallen seeds in the pot filled with a blend of moist peat moss and vermiculite. Chestnut. This plant does best in well-draining acidic soil with a pH of 4.5 to 6.5. Keep the pot near a south-facing window where it's protected from cold drafts. Pecan nuts. Pecan trees can be started in pots easily. For best growth, use a mix of peat moss, pine bark, perlite, and vermiculite. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe.